Hello, everyone. Today we are doing something different. Since yesterday, I've shared several shorts debunking common health myths, and the response has been overwhelming. It's clear that you are tired of being told what to do without being told why. My mission is to bring true scientific literacy to the masses. Whether you are in a boardroom in New York or a village in India, your biology works the same way. Today, I am pulling all those pieces together. We are going to expose 5 major metabolic myths that even some doctors still get wrong. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the 1980s. We were told that dietary fat makes you fat. The reality: your body is a hormonal machine, not a bucket. When you eat healthy fats, like avocados or extra virgin olive oil, your insulin levels stay flat. Insulin is the storage hormone. If it's not spiked, you aren't storing fat. The real culprit? Refined carbohydrates and hidden sugars that trigger the insulin trap. As I mentioned in my recent short, we have to stop blaming the fat and start looking at the hormones. Check the description for the data. Next is the famous 10,000 steps. It's a great goal, but it's actually a marketing myth from a 1960s pedometer company. The reality: if you want to master your blood sugar, the timing of your movement is more important than the volume. Clinical research shows that a brisk 10-minute walk taken immediately after a meal is significantly more powerful at clearing glucose. Don't just count steps, count minutes after your dinner. That is how you own your biology. I've seen many of you asking, is fruit bad for my liver? The reality: there is a massive biological difference. There is a massive biological difference between naked fructose in soda and the fructose found in whole fruit. Whole fruit comes with a built-in defense mechanism: fiber. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, giving your liver time to process it without becoming overwhelmed. My advice to the masses: stop drinking your fruit, start eating it. Protect your liver with the fiber matrix nature intended. Myth number 4: a calorie is a calorie. This is the most dangerous oversimplification in nutrition. The reality: your metabolism is a chemistry lab. 100 calories of processed sugar sends a store fat signal to your brain. 100 calories of protein or healthy fat sends a full and energized signal. If you only count calories, you ignore biological signals. If you only count calories, you are ignoring the biological signals that actually control your weight. Focus on the quality first. Finally, let's talk about muscle. Most people think muscle is just for athletes. The reality: muscle is your largest metabolic organ. It acts as a massive glucose sink. Even while you are sitting still or sleeping, your muscle mass is pulling sugar out of your bloodstream. This is why resistance training, even just bodyweight squats, is the ultimate defense against type 2 diabetes. Use them or lose health. The path to health isn't about expensive supplements or complex diets. It's about understanding the science and taking small, consistent actions. If this helped you, please share this video with one person you care about. We are building a global community. Subscribe to Dr. PK Life.